How to download and install the Telegram application on an Android, iPhone, or PC. If you want fast, secure, and cloud based messaging, then Telegram is a must have application. Without installing it, we miss out on large file sharing, channels, bots, and better privacy. So let's install it step by step. Open up Play Store for that, Google Play Store, and we can search for Telegram. So go to the search, and you can directly type in Telegram, and you should be finding the results of Telegram here. Once you find it up, you can look out for the install option. So you can basically look out for the install option. If it's a new app, you can tap on that and you will be finding an install option, something like this. You can basically tap on that option and wait for the download to be finished. And once it is downloaded, you'll be finding an open option. You can tap on open to open up the app. And there you can enter up your phone number, verify with the OTP, and Telegram is ready to use on Android. This is one of the way possible. If not from Play Store, we can download it directly from the website as well. Go to our web, for example, Chrome, and search for Telegram. And once we find Telegram, tap on it. And once we open up the link, it should directly give an option for us for Telegram for Android, iPhone, depending upon your device. Then you can just go over and tap on this option called Download Telegram. And you can download the exe file available, the extension file available, and then you can install the Telegram. And ensure you have turned on the option for install from unknown sources. For that, go to your settings. And within your settings, we need to look out for the apps option. And basically look out for the three dot in the top. Go to special access and scroll down and look out for the option for install unknown apps. And there allow the changes from Chrome or any other browser that you're trying to download it from. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow this process. Telegram works on multiple devices at once, so we can use the same account on PC, phone, and tablet. But that's how we download and install Telegram easily. So if this helped, like, share, and follow. And thank you for watching this video.